While connecting with families of students with special needs continues to be a more challenging group within a school community, another challenging group for schools to engage are the families of English language learners. Some of the benefits of engaging English language learners' families include saving the school money. On average, it saves the school $1,000 per year per pupil, and that's from Rubin, Abrego, and Sutterby in 2012. The same authors also found that students who benefit the most from parental engagement are students who are at risk. There are several challenges to engaging EL parents. The first one is that not everyone understands the needs of each family. The needs of a recently arrived immigrant family are different than the needs of an immigrant family who has been here for several years, been in the country for several years. And that is from Ramirez and Soto Hinman in 2009. Rubin, Abrego, and Sutterby in 2012 found that some families feel that they can't help 15-year-olds with their high school homework, but still talking to them makes a difference. So in school systems in other countries, parents are expected to work on the at-home things with students, and it's only the school's job to teach the students. So that can be a challenge, and then of course the language barriers between the EL families and the school create some issues as well. So what are some strategies for working with English language learners' families? The first one is from Ramirez, Soto, and Hinman in 2009. Their suggestion is to explore the community, learn from the families, and just explore the community within the community. So go to the Mexican grocery stores, go to the Halal market, different places like that around the community. 4 areas that schools could open up the school are the library, nurse's office, athletic fields, and classrooms. And that's from Rubin, Abrego, and Sutterby in 2012. By opening up these facilities, they're able to make the school a community center. Another way families can help their children is by speaking to them in their native language, and that's from Rubin, Abrego, and Sutterby in 2012. I'd also add that Minnesota offers a bilingual seal, so by practicing native languages at home, it's going to strengthen the students' skills and make them more likely to receive a bilingual seal on their high school diploma. Conduct a needs assessment from EL families. That's from Rubin, Abrego, and Sutterby in 2012. So what are some things EL families are looking for? Just sort of connecting with them and assessing that is helpful. And then from the same author, Rubin, Abrego, and Sutterby in 2012, they suggest that schools need to discuss literature about the immigrant experience in order to create more empathy in the classroom, and they've also provided suggestions of several books to read, which we will look at next.